from Designs by Gina. Just thought I'd put together a short video for all of you who have requested to see my pantry makeover from start to finish, so I will take you through the steps that I took in creating it. I guess I'll start by showing you the ugly before picture of my pantry, where everything was just kind of randomly tossed in there and there was no organization whatsoever. And this is what it looked like after I finally took the initiative to get everything organized. It's so nice because everything is labeled, it has its own place, and we all know where we can find whatever it is we're looking for in the pantry. So once I had my mind made up to start organizing, I knew there were certain items that I was after. One of those things was a cereal dispenser. We do go through a lot of cereal in my family, so I was trying to find something that would fit within the height of my shelves. Another thing I was after were baskets, so that I could group similar items together and get rid of a lot of the clutter that was in my pantry. I found that these label clips were the perfect way for me to be able to label what was inside of the baskets. I also used these chalkboard stickers in labeling different things in my pantry, such as my baskets, my cereal dispensers, and my canisters. What I like about these is once you write on them with a chalkboard marker, you can easily wipe it off and reuse them. I also ordered these soda can organizers. These work well in the fridge for storing soda, but since we don't have all of our soda in the fridge, I thought I would use them in the pantry as well. And these are similar to the soda can organizers, but they're a little bit longer so that water bottles will fit in them, and larger cans work well too. I really love these tiered spice racks that I ordered. I found that they work well for spices, but they also work well for canned goods and other smaller items too. And then these glass canisters come as a set of 4, and they are perfect for organizing pretty much anything that you can fit inside them. I also knew I wanted different lighting in my pantry, but rather than spend money on a new light fixture, I just recycled what I had in the room where I did my office makeover. So that's where this came from. The first step was to take everything out. I just did it one shelf at a time, and then I measured each shelf so I knew how much wallpaper I was going to be using. Once I knew the measurements, I was able to cut the wallpaper accordingly. So one shelf at a time, I began applying the wallpaper. And what was nice about this wallpaper is that it's peel and stick, so it was super easy to apply. I just tried to line up the brick pattern as best as I could. Once I had the wallpaper up, I began putting things back in different places to figure out how I wanted everything arranged. So this makeover took me a lot of time, it took a lot of effort, but when I look at this end result, it makes me feel like it was so worth all of the hard work. So this is the barn door that I finally decided on. It is from Wayfair and it does come with all of the main hardware. The first step in adding the barn door was to add the mounting board to the wall where the track would be fastened. From there, the track was fastened to the mounting board and then the door was hung from the track. particular barn door does come with a protective white film covering the glass, which is nice, but it is very tricky to get off. It is very sticky and tough to remove. But once I did, this is what it looked like when I was done. I did like the glass feature in this door, but I wanted to add something to give it a little more custom, decorative, and frosted look, so I decided to apply this decorative film to the glass. Once I was done applying all of the decorative film to the glass, this is the final outcome. I also added that pantry decal to the front of the door just to give it an extra customized look. I'm very happy with the way that this door turned out. It was exactly the look that I was going for when I started this pantry makeover. I hope that you've enjoyed watching my pantry makeover video. I hope that you have found it inspiring, and I hope that I've answered any questions that you might have had. Please feel free to like, comment, and/or subscribe, and I thank you so much for watching.